The mangrove forest offers great advantages to many birds, especially those that feed on fish. In a world surrounded by water, the mangroves provide vantage points where they can nest without fearing the land predators, and all around there are fish, invertebrates, and small reptiles with which to feed their chicks. So when the breeding season comes round, the mangroves are adorned with an infinite variety of nests. For the American jabitos, the mangrove boughs are impregnable fortresses in which to guard their chicks. Here there are no predators and food can always be found, so of each clutch of eggs they lay, more chicks survive than in continental colonies. In an apparent paradox, this ecosystem, which would appear at the very limit of the ecologically conceivable, is now being revealed as a rich, diverse world where animals and plants develop in their thousands, free from the usual interference from man. This is an intermediate world created by both, between the waters of the sea and those of the rivers. A hybrid world which requires major osmotic adaptations, but in compensation offers almost inexhaustible food and shelter. The mixture of fresh water laden with new nutrients and the salt water that gives rise to sedimentation favors the increase of the invertebrates and fish, and this makes the austere wetlands and coves of the mangrove forest a meeting place for thousands of aquatic birds that come here each day to partake of the feast.